This on TikTok. Reporting live, straight from me now. This a big clap, nigga. Nigga tell me I ain't saying fuck. I'm saying Nteka la hansi, I'm with my dogs, I'm with my gazi. Mbala mabaji, bak tumbeta bandi, tumbeta kavi, tumbeta stick. Eh my dog, barila batwari, lunatic. Ni endla bari, tika bu papi. Texting your bitch, ikhala shinlava, shingani kumi. Her name is Doomy, baby girl, you had me at Doomy. Mtwana udese, uflopa ka chatri, pata bu movie. Keep my heart bitchin' sloppy these days. Next so I'm cool, then next I'm spazzing on a nigga. I hit the booth, tend to a drug and fire spitter. Ungeni koti, I'm really bigger, really sicker. Wangaku pompi, I'm kela uri bitch nigga. Nkome my slime, nkome my super, sanya bu gupta. I'm feeling funky, ngena ka beat sung la ku buncha. Nimu profita, ngena ka mic sung la ku juta. Nzaj zumba, then meditate ngakun Buddha. Shout out to Show My Josie, watsonga bangene Josie. I mean a John Cena, unga ending ngakon boni. Silawa mizula kumkota kuwisa paloni. Balling like I'm Kobe, so no much talk cause I'm Poppy. Pengisa izaga, bone big notifications sungula kushanya. Tela rich munisi ani sendela designer. Ningambala batu ni enda iwa fire. I'm the drip messiah. The press on Mujala, I'm sending a Gucci to Lala. The chopper a Mexican, I just shoot it and it cha-cha. Nitla bela saga, kutele spizo, tele matata. Gitweri plaga, ginyaka cherry ya opaga. Gucci beatbox, switch my set on TikTok. I pay my pick clock, check out weak prop. Nah nigga, just stop that shit, I'm killing shit.